What's up everybody, welcome to another video. Today I have this Realme GT Master Explorer Edition with me. Yeah, this is a very long name. I don't want to waste a lot of time. I'm pretty excited to unbox this one. And yeah, I will first do the camera comparison videos with this one, and then I will publish the honest review video, because I will actually use this smartphone for 6 or 7 days, at least 7 days, and then I can say, okay, how good or how bad is this smartphone. To check all the features, to get to know the smartphone, everything, you need time. I have found that many other YouTubers, they're making videos like they get the smartphone in the morning and then they make a video at the afternoon or evening and say, okay, I've been using this smartphone for a long time, and then this, that. I really hate that. Okay, first let's unbox this Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. Actually, I'm recording this video now at 20th July, and I will do the review video on 26th or 27th of July and then release this video together. Well, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to this channel. Without your support, this channel can't grow. So please support true content, subscribe to this channel. Well, let's start our unboxing. Okay, after opening the box, I felt like, is it a Realme smartphone? Because usually Realme smartphones have different type of boxes. Inside the box there is an envelope, and inside that envelope there are some paperwork like warranty and user manual. Well, this box totally resembles any other Oppo smartphone box. This is my Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. Let's put the phone aside for a while. Underneath the smartphone, there is a good quality TPU silicon protective case, and this idea seems like came from Oneplus. Wait for a second. This is the protective case that I have got inside my OnePlus 9 Pro box. Yeah, this one is also a TPU silicon protective case, and these two actually have the same in-hand fillings and built with same materials. How can you say Oppo, OnePlus and Realme are not the same thing? I think they're just eliminating all the differences they have between these three brands. Well, it will do the work, it looks fine, and I think a lot of people will like this. I appreciate this gesture that Realme actually has added something premium quality. Well, let's put this aside. Underneath that there is a Super Dart 65-watt charger, which is totally the same as Realme GT 5G or OnePlus 9 Pro Warp Charge 65 or Oppo Superbook 2.0 65-watt charger. Just the name is different. Yeah, there is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, but this cable is not as good quality as a OnePlus 9 Pro or even Realme GT 5G. Underneath that there is a SIM ejector tool, and that's all what we get inside the box. Okay, this is our Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. Let's unwrap this beast. Wow, it looks nice, isn't it? In hand it feels good, premium. It has this unique appearance, unique outlook, and very nice in-hand feelings, premium feelings. It makes me feel like I'm holding a flagship smartphone. I have many other smartphones like Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus, OnePlus 9 Pro, Realme GT 5G, and I really think that Realme GT Master Explorer Edition has a different, unique outlook. It looks better than these other three smartphones, and in hand it gives you that comfortable feelings. And as it doesn't have a glass back, it won't be a smudge or fingerprint magnet. Also, considering its price and segment, this one comes with a very good rear camera setup, a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766, a 16 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and a 2 megapixel sensor, which I don't want to talk about. I have done separate camera comparison videos. I wish that you will check those videos. Yeah, on the left that's OnePlus 9 Pro, and on the right that's Realme. And on top it looks similar to OnePlus 9 Pro. There is a secondary noise cancellation microphone and two antenna bands. But at the bottom, it's not similar, it's the same. Speaker grill, USB-C port, primary microphone, SIM tray, everything is the same as OnePlus 9 Pro. power button is on the right side and that one is on the exact same position where OnePlus 9 Pro has its power button. Yeah, there is no profile slider on Realme smartphones and volume rockers are on the left side. Once again, it's exactly on the same place where OnePlus 9 Pro got its volume rockers. Even the protective cases I have got inside this OnePlus 9 Pro and Realme GT Master Explorer Edition have a bit of similar design. Well, let's power on this smartphone. Let's check how good is this smartphone. Registering fingerprint or enrolling Face ID isn't that difficult. Both face unlock and fingerprint works very fast and smooth. I didn't notice any lags or hiccups. Well, as this is a new smartphone, I will import data from my OnePlus 9 Pro, but you can see Realme GT Master Explorer Edition has recognized my OnePlus 9 Pro as another Realme smartphone. Now it's getting clear, other than the brand name, a lot of things are similar and almost the same in these smartphones. Check this one comes with 120Hz refresh rate, not 90Hz refresh rate like many other mid-range smartphones. And this one have this DC dimming, which one works perfectly well on 120Hz high refresh rate. I don't think that I have to portray again and again how buttery smooth this 120Hz refresh rate is, because I think you already know it's obviously better than 90Hz. Yeah, it's time for Antutu Benchmark. You can see usually the temperature of this smartphone is at around 40 degrees Celsius when ambient temperature is 25 to 27 degrees Celsius. Let's run our Antutu Benchmark. Personally, I don't like Antutu Benchmark, and now Antutu Benchmark have different versions and it's pretty difficult to keep up with this Antutu Benchmark thing. Anyway, here goes the score, 718,000. My Realme GT 5G gets around 740,000. My OnePlus 9 Pro gets around 725 to 730,000. So this one has done very good. And when I look at the temperature graph, yeah, it didn't even generate a lot of heat. So I think this one already is doing very good. Yeah, this Realme GT Master Explorer Edition comes with a very good 6.55-inch AMOLED panel. They call it Super AMOLED. It supports HDR10 Plus and goes up to 1100 nits. I really love OnePlus 9 Pro for its display panel. It got a 1440p display panel. And beside that, this Realme GT Master Explorer Edition made me very happy. This display panel is as good as OnePlus 9 Pro. Really, you don't have to believe me. You don't have to take my words for it. You can go to the store, or if you have access to this smartphone, just check these two smartphones side by side. Even beside my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, this Realme GT Master Explorer Edition really looks awesome. So I would give 10 out of 10 for its display performance. After display, we should check the stereo speaker setup. Yeah, this one comes with a stereo speaker setup. And one Chinese reviewer who told me that, okay, this one got the same stereo speaker setup as OnePlus 9 Pro. I must check these two smartphones side by side. Violet skies and countryside, it all comes flooding. Violet skies and countryside, it all comes flooding back to. Well, OnePlus 9 Pro goes a bit louder than Realme GT Master Explorer, but Realme GT Master Explorer sound seems to be a bit more clear. Well, let's check Realme GT 5G. Even if I don't like to play games, you like to play games. So let's check. You can go up to very high graphics with maximum frame rate, and you can even enable depth of field. With all these things enabled, I didn't even felt any lag, any hiccups, any issues. I have tried to play Call of Duty for hours after hours. It was really buttery smooth. I have tried to play different type of games for hours after hours, and I really don't know why do we need gaming smartphones when these type of mid-range smartphones can provide very good gaming experience. I've charged this smartphone to 100% and then played games for 47 minutes, and you can see 11% gone. So 47 minutes of gaming for 11% battery, I think that's a very good performance. And I was actually playing graphics intensive games. There are 3 other smartphones which got this Snapdragon 870 SoC. Redmi K40 or Poco F3 got the worst camera setup. So if you need camera performance, then that's gone. Oppo Reno 6 Pro Plus got a very good rear camera setup, but the price of that smartphone is way high and that one is not available outside China. Now there is this OnePlus 9R which has mediocre performance in everywhere. The rear camera setup is mediocre, gaming performance is mediocre, battery performance is mediocre, it has very high price tag. So there is only one smartphone left in this segment. That one is Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. At this moment, this one is my primary drive. As I have been using OnePlus 9 Pro as my daily drive, this is a downgrade, but for last 5 days, this Realme smartphone made me very happy. If I had to select the best mid-range smartphone, then I would choose this one. What do you think? Please don't forget to make a comment and let me know in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, then please click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel.
It's turning out to be a perfect day. I just wanna leave our normal lives behind us. So let's get lost.